Hi guys, today I have my unboxing from Birchbox. This is the January box. And the card on the inside says, "Find Your Happy." It lists all the products on the back side, gives you some more information about them. And I did get to pick a product this month, and I chose this Real Chemistry. It's a 3-minute peel. I've had this before in the past, and I thought it was pretty interesting, so I picked this product again. So that's my first product. Next, from Verb, we have a hydrating hair mask. It says manage and restore. No parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. I'm not familiar with that brand, so that will be a new product to me. Next up, from Aero Boost, I have had this before, but in a different color. This is a color enhancing lip balm. This one is a purple shade. The one I've had before was like a pale pink, and it did add a little bit of pink tones to my lip, which is nice because it's not a lipstick, but it's hydrating like a lip gloss, but it does give you a little bit of color. So I have that color to try out. Then from Bioderma, I got a Pore Refiner. A little sample of that. It says apply once or twice a day all over the face or on the T-zone. And the very last product is from the Beauty Crop. This is an eyeshadow trio. Love You So Latte is what the colors are called. And I do wear pretty much exclusively shades of brown, so this is perfect for me. Have a matte and a couple shimmery ones. And that is the products I got in this month's box. If you're not familiar with Birchbox, it's only $10 a month. And it's one of my favorite little subscriptions between this and Ipsy. And you do sometimes get to pick an item a month, which is really fun. So if you're interested in seeing what I've got in past boxes, I'll leave a playlist below. And if you want to sign up, I will leave a link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.